Hello and welcome to Bitcoin US dollar technical analysis. So it's been a couple of days, or maybe 1 week since my last update on Bitcoin. And yeah, since then Bitcoin pretty much bounced off a little bit of this price area. I used to have this make or break in here, which has been broken, of course, right now. And so this basically means that this right here cannot be the full wave 3. So far this is a 1 and we are now within a wave 2. This means that technically this wave 2 can go all the way down to this make or break area down here, which is, I have to go in a little bit more detail. And yeah, which is pretty much at around 7,670. So pullbacks to this price area are possible. If Bitcoin decides to go below this make or break, of course I would have to recount this in a different way. I mean, there are a couple of scenarios, but so far we always have to go with what we see. And right now, in my opinion, this is a 1-2, another 1-2. And yeah, following this, of course, so if you get a double 1-2, this is usually a strong sign. If Bitcoin manages to stabilize above this make or break, which is, as I said, at 7,670 was it approximately. So if Bitcoin manages to stabilize above this price area, which in my opinion it should be able to, we can definitely see a strong movement to the upside. And again, I would have to move this 3 probably around a little bit more. This 4 will move as well, and all of those as well. Okay, so yeah, we will have to see what Bitcoin does next and what possible next targets are. But in the end, I still expect Bitcoin to turn around at some point here and work its way towards this trend line pretty much, and bounce off there for the moment. But yeah, first of all, of course, we need a confirmation as to where the bottom exactly lies and where this downwards move is finished. But I really hope that we do not go below this make or break, as if we do this, I mean, this would be a really bad sign for the moment at least, or for the next couple of weeks, as Bitcoin could even dip lower and even go below this and below this to the area of $5,800, which still is a possible target. For those of you that have not watched my previous videos, I think this, I will just have to show the movement. So there it is. Okay, so basically we had this WXYXZ move, and this Z move can extend to 100% of the length of the wave W and even further below this. But so far it has not extended all the way to 100% of the length of wave W. But yeah, then again, if we look at this X and this X, this to place a new swing high here for another correctional move down seems highly unlikely in my opinion. So I personally do not expect Bitcoin to go down to $5,800, and rather to stabilize somewhere around here, preferably above this make or break at 7,670, and from there go up over the next couple of weeks all the way to this trend line, be it here, be it there, somewhere around there. So this is what I personally expect from Bitcoin. Maybe this correctional phase even extends further to the side, and we have to wait until April to get this move, and this crossing of trend lines might be a target for this move, of course. I mean, if Bitcoin goes sideways and we go up here and then those trend lines meet, this is a really good target in a technical term of in technical point of view, for prices to go and either break through significantly or bounce off for the moment and then come back again. But we will have to see about this, of course. I mean, right now, as I said, the important thing is Bitcoin should stabilize above this area at $7,670. Moves down there are perfectly fine, but then yeah, I really hope for and anticipate a move to the upside towards this trend line to gather some momentum and finally break this one, and then hopefully break this one as well, and then the way should be free to this new target at $23,000 for the moment, which is a very nice target in my opinion, and definitely up for this year in Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching. That's it for Bitcoin for the moment, and see you soon.